welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Princess. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And if this is not your first time, thank you again for coming back to my video. I'm so happy that you came back to my video. Thank y'all all so much for stopping by and watching what I have to say about this beautiful perfume. Okay, let's jump right into it. This is a unboxing. I have not unboxed the actual box that I was gifted today. So this is from Macys. It is the Good Girl Blush, Carolina Herrera. Now with our purchase today, we received like a free gift thing. It's a Jean Paul backpack. I will be using this. It's really cute. It says Jean Paul Gother Perfumes, and it's in my color. Y'all know I love, if you've been here, you know I'm a beige girl, so I will be using that backpack for something, okay? But this is the box they gave me at Macys. Because I made a purchase of getting one of the bottles. It came, I bought the bottle. So let me just do a backstory. Okay, so when I made the purchase, or when I thought about getting the perfume, I told my husband that we was gonna go to Sephora so I can get my points and things like that, but he was like, okay, cool. So we went to Macys, and after we was walking, I was like, you know what, Macys had the 5-ounce bottle and I really wanted that, but there was a whole hiccup during the transition process of trying to make the purchase. We were supposed to get the 5-ounce bottle, but they only charged us for the 2.7 bottle. Cool, but they charged us for the 2.7 bottle, and we were thinking it was the 5-ounce bottle, and we didn't get the chance to tell them, no, stop, give me the 5-ounce bottle. And then they was like, okay, well, we have to return the money, do a return, and then do another charge. And you know how banks are. We're not gonna do all that, because then it's gonna look like we got $500 taken out of the account when we was only supposed to be paying $200, okay? So anyways, that happened. But with this purchase, it came with a travel size and a lotion. So I was like, I honestly came out way better, because if I would have paid the same price for the bottle at Sephora, I would have just got the bottle. I wouldn't have got the lotion or the travel size. So I'm super excited about this purchase, and I wouldn't have got this cute little box. So let's go ahead and open it. It's actually just thrown in here. It's nothing too fancy. But see, just thrown in there. So I ended up getting the 2.7 ounce Good Girl Blush. I'm gonna open that with you guys today. And then I got the Good Girl Carolina Herrera New York body lotion in the 3.4. So this is the 100 milliliter. And 2.7, if you didn't know, is an 80 milliliter. So let's jump right into it. First, we're gonna open up the lotion. Oh, let me show you the little travel size they gave me. I'm thinking it was gonna be like a cute little travel size in a travel size bottle. No. She ended up spraying it in this, which actually comes out perfectly fine for me. Let me show y'all how much it is. It's this much in here. And like I said, it's perfectly fine for me, because I could take the same bottle and put my other sprays in it to travel on the go. I am wearing this today. To travel on the go. So I do love this little atomizer for that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, I love that smell. All right, so let's jump right into it. Let's open. We're gonna open the lotion first. Girl, I don't wanna break my nails. Okay, there we go. And I'm in my pink era these days, so it was only fitting to get this bottle, okay? Even though I'm not opening up the bottle right now, I'm opening up the lotion. You know what? I haven't even like smelled the Carolina lotion, like the actual Carolina Herrera Good Girl. I never really was like into that one. I've always been into blush. Let's see what this lotion smells like. Oh, the lotion smells good. Oh, girl, do I need to go get the original Good Girl? She smells good. Oh my goodness, this is the yeah, she smells good. I'm glad that I got her. We're gonna put her in our lotion section. Love her down. Let's open up the mama to my baby. I've been having her for a long time. And if you've been here watching my perfume channel or my perfume videos, you already know I have really been saying, oh, I'm gonna get good girl. I'm gonna get good girl. I'm gonna get good girl. Girl, in 2024, I never got good girl. But we a good girl in 2025. But anyways, I'm gonna always keep this little shoe. It still has juice in here. You can't really see it, but it still has juice in here, and I just love her. I love her to display her. But let's open up her mama. Her mama finally came back from work. I'm so excited about this purchase. I'm bummed because I really wanted the 5 ounce, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Y'all, I'm so happy. It says, this is like the person, I was showing you like how to spray it. She's so cute. She is so cute. At this point, I need all of these just to display. I don't even want the box. Girl, throw away the boxes. Do you not? I need my whole room to look like this, okay? To feel like this, y'all. Hey, girl. Hey, mommy. Okay, I mean, I just have to spray her. Like, we have to do the first spray with you guys. Girl, is she spraying? Hold on now. Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. She smells so good. I can't get enough. So good. Oh. This is a beautiful bottle. The most beautiful bottle that I've ever owned outside of YSL. I love YSL bottles. And I'm a perfume girly. So when it comes to like perfumes, I always said I want to start my own perfume company. And when it comes to perfumes, I look at the bottle and the creativeness. Like, Good Girl has the most creative bottle ever. Like, especially their minis. To even think of a mini one like this, to even think of a heel. Like, my husband has Bad Boy. He's been having Bad Boy all 2024. Okay, he always had Bad Boy. I just never had Good Girl, but now we have. Well, now we have it. I'm so excited. And then I also wanted to compare it to the Bath and Body Works that You're Cheeky that I received. You know, we've been saying that it smells like You're Cheeky, and of course I already knew that because I had the mini and I'm able to smell that and then smell the Bath and Body Works one. But I wanted to show you guys that it really does smell like Bath and Body Works. Let me see if it shows on the box. It does not. I was trying to see if it shows the notes on it. It don't. So I'll put the notes of the actual perfume right here. And then the notes on You're Cheeky, which is from Bath and Body Works. I have the entire collection. It is pink peppercorn, warm almond flower, vanilla bean. Y'all, it smells, let's see. No, I already put that on there. It smells exactly like it. Like they hit the nail on the head with that one. They really did. They really did do their big one when it comes to it smells like it. It's definitely giving the vibes. Oh y'all. It's the one. It's the one. It's exactly like it. They did a good one with You're Cheeky. They did a good one. They did a good one with this. This is a short video. I just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. If you like this perfume or if you plan on getting this perfume, I highly recommend it. I don't know the exact notes in this one, but like I said, I'm going to post it right here to show you what the notes are. Matter of fact, I got my phone on me. Let's find a place for her first. Okay, y'all, we found a place for her. Now, the notes in Carolina Herrera is... So the top notes are bergamot and bitter almond. Middle notes are peony and ylang ylang. Base notes are vanilla and pomariant. That's what I have off of Google. the fragrantica.com website. What notes are in Carolina Herrera? Let's see if they have more details on this one. It says almond coffee, bergamot. Oh no, that's the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. So I need Good Girl blush. All right, so I'm on the actual website of Carolina Herrera Good Girl blush, and it says that the top notes are, let's see, key ingredients is ylang ylang, peony, and vanilla. It says that the family of ambery, floral, fruity. Top notes is bergamot and bitter almond. Heart notes, meaning the middle, is ylang ylang and peony. And then the bottom notes is vanilla and tonka bean. Yeah, I love all of those down. Okay, vanilla, tonka bean, bitter almond, bergamot. I don't know what ylang ylang is. I think it's a flower or something. I don't know. Peony, I love that. I actually have a lot of scents that have peony in it, especially body wash scents from Dove. There's like the rose one, I think. So it says the top notes, first impression of perfume lasts about 5 to 15 minutes after applying to the skin. The heart notes start to come through as the top notes fade, last approximately 20 to 60 minutes. And the base notes, the underlying aroma throughout the wear of the perfume, lingers the longest on the skin, up to 6 hours after the other notes have faded. So the vanilla and tonka bean is what you'll get last, and that's what you're gonna have that's gonna linger on throughout the day. So anyways, that is everything that I have for you today when it comes to this beautiful scent, Carolina Herrera Good Girl blush. If you plan on getting that perfume, definitely put it in the comment section and let me know in the comment section if you already have it, what your thoughts on it, what do you pair it with. Let me know what your layering combos are so I can try it. And also if you made it to this part of the video, put some pink hearts in the comment section, because it's all love over here, sis. It's all love over here, bro. If you made it to this part of the video, definitely put those pink hearts in the comment section. And again, thank you guys so much for joining me. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell, and like this video so YouTube will know that you like videos like this one. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video vlog. See ya, bye. Oh my